Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nitai Academy. Today we're going to learn a very exciting project, an artificial intelligence car. So let's get started. So we have a Scratch here, Scratch 3.0. What you can see on the screen, this is a sprite. So let's delete the sprite. If you can see, it's a cross sign on the top here. You have to click on the sign to delete the cat. For our project, we need a sprite. So let's click on choose a sprite icon on the bottom and then click on the paint. Now the first thing we need to draw is a car. To draw a car, you need not to be good in drawing to do that, but yes, you should know how to use shapes and draw a 2D car. I'm gonna use a rectangle here, and then I can draw the car which looks like a rectangle, and beside that you can draw the wheels of the car. Wheel number one, I want a different color for my wheels. You can choose the green one. Wheel number two, three, and four. If you want, you can align them properly. Yes. So our car is ready. Now what we need to do, for the same sprite, we have to draw two more different costumes. One is left, other is right. Now how can we do that? Let's click here, choose a costume, and then again you have to click on a paint. Then you will see the number 2. Now here you can draw the second sprite. It's very simple. What you need to do is go and make the color black first of all. Then on the left side you have to draw a rectangle, and second is draw the same rectangle on the right side. Okay, now let's give the name to these costumes. So this one, if we are moving our car, if we are starting the car from the right side, if you think this is the starting point of the car, let's draw something here so that it will give you a feel that yes, this is the starting of the car. Yes, so this, we are taking the front of the car, then this side will be left. So I'm going to change the name to left. This side will be right. So we are not doing anything different. We are just changing their names of the costume, because it will be easy for us to program the car to code it. Now let's click on the code. Now we need one more thing for our artificial intelligence car, that is a track. So to get the track, again we have to follow the same process. Choose a sprite, click on the paint, and then you can draw. I'm gonna use the paintbrush this time. Let's make it thicker. I already tried, so something like 80 and 90 would be would be easy to use. Now you need to choose the track which you want to create. So you can start with the simple track. If you find you did something wrong, you can remove it. So there you go. This is the track. Or if you want, you can make any other shape like the track in the form of this, the number 8. And when you are done, you can go back on the screen. Now you see the car is too big. Now the first thing we need to do is to reduce the size of the car. Let's click on the car, sprite, car, and then you will find a size option here. Let's change the size option to 20. Yes, it fits into it. It's a good thing. You can use it easily. Now it's time to program the car. To program the car, first thing we need is the event. So let's get this first block which says when green flag clicked, get it in the programming area. This is called the programming area. And now we will go to the control and get a repeat block. It's forever block, it's a loop which is gonna repeat it forever. And now we will start with the motion. Let's get the move block inside the forever and make 2 steps. And then you have to go to the look and we will first check with the left thing. Okay, so switch costume to left, and then now it's time to check if the left of the car, if the left costume of the car is touching the white color here, the background, because background is white and this is black. So that is how we can differentiate between the two. Now this is called decision making if and then. Let's go to the sensing and get this block which says touching color. If touching color, here you can see by default it's brown, but we need to check this white. Let's click on the brown one and pick up this dropper. Now you can click and tell what type of color you want. If you click here, it will show black. If you will click on this, it will show white. You can see now this touching color, it became white itself. Now we can turn. If touching color, if the left is touching color white, then turn right. You can make it 2 degree. Now switch costume again, but this time you have to switch it to the right and you have to check if the right touched this white color, then we will turn to the left. Again, remember you have to make it 2 steps, and at last you have to make switch costume to car so that Every time we can see the car moving on the screen. So this is how the program of the artificial intelligence car look like. So let's try this one and see if it is working or not. It's working, but all right. So what we're gonna do here, we will make this turn more steeper. Let's make it 4 instead of 2 and then try. Yes, it is working. Okay, so there's some error in this. What we can do move instead of 2 steps, we can move it 1 step. Okay, so this is now it's working for us. So that is how you can also create your own projects using artificial intelligence. I hope you like the project. So come again. If you like the project, come again. You can look for all different options with us, and that's how we can guide you with all other projects using this. Again, it's moving from the track. So what you can do, you can modify the program a little bit here, and it will start working again. I hope you like the project. You find it valuable, and see you next time with the new projects. So till then, bye bye.